Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to 𝐍𝐢𝐚𝐥𝐬 YouTube channel. Today, I am super excited to take you on an epic journey to one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world, Niagara Falls. It's going to be an adventure filled with stunning scenery, unforgettable moments, and of course a whole lot of family fun. So come along as we hit the open road and make our way to this natural wonder. Now let me introduce you to the awesome crew on this adventure. Of course, there's me, my wife, uncle and auntie, the navigator and host for this trip, and our babe girl who are just as thrilled as I am about exploring Niagara Falls together. As we hit the road, we're leaving behind the hustle and bustle of city life and trading it for the freedom of the open road. Let's go. We've finally made it to our destination, Niagara Falls. After hours on the road, as we step out of our car and approach the falls, the sheer power and beauty of this natural wonder leave us speechless. The roar of the water, the mist in the air, and the sight of those iconic falls are even more awe-inspiring in person. We started our day by exploring the observation decks on both the American and Canadian sides. The views from up here are absolutely mind-blowing. You can see the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and of course, the mighty Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side. Niagara Falls isn't just about taking in the views, it's also about getting up close and personal with the falls themselves. So, after marveling at the falls from afar, we knew we had to take our Niagara Falls experience to the next level. That's why we decided to embark on the world-famous Maid of the Mist boat tour. As we boarded the Maid of the Mist, the excitement was palpable. We were provided with those iconic red rain ponchos to protect ourselves from the inevitable drenching. Trust me, you're going to need it. The boat slowly made its way towards the falls, and with each passing moment, the roar of the water grew louder. The anticipation was intense, and then suddenly, there it was, the mighty Niagara Falls towering over us. If you ever visit Niagara Falls, taking the Maid of the Mist tour is an absolute must. It's a sensory overload and a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you won't want to miss. While Niagara Falls itself is absolutely breathtaking, today we're taking a little detour to explore the charming town that surrounds this natural wonder. As we venture into the town, the first thing that strikes us is its undeniable charm. With its quaint streets, colorful storefronts, and a welcoming atmosphere, it's the perfect place to unwind after a day of exploring the falls. As the sun dips below the horizon, the falls transform into a mesmerizing spectacle of light and sound. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the magic of a Niagara Falls night. As darkness blankets the area, the falls come alive with a brilliant display of colorful lights. It's an awe-inspiring sight, and it's hard to put into words just how breathtaking it is. Niagara Falls is illuminated every night, and the lighting schedule varies with the seasons. During the summer months, the falls are illuminated until midnight, while in the winter, they light up until 10 p.m.
So, as we wrap up this magical night at Niagara Falls, we want to thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, when you visit Niagara Falls, don't miss the opportunity to witness the falls come to life under the night sky. Until next time, thanks for watching and keep exploring.